Hi guys, it's Maddie here with Art and the things I made today are some Lifesavers, they're hard candies with 1 or 2 straws, some scissors, something to color with, and then a piece of paper. Oh, yeah, and tape. Okay, let's get started. First we'll just need our piece of paper. So now we're going to start coloring. You can do whatever design you want, but I'm going to do something big. So I'm finished drawing. I drew a sunset and some moon. So we're gonna roll this up now. So this is what it looks like when it's all rolled up. You might need an adult to help you. And then I just taped it a little bit. We're gonna cut it a little bit because race cars aren't that tall. If you're using like big scissors, then ask an adult to help you if you need like help, and you also need supervision. So yeah. So I just cut the top of it, and you don't have to cut it, but I just like it cut. We're going to tape a little more. And you can ask for help for the tape too, because sometimes tape gets really bubbly and stuff. Like the top one isn't perfect, but now we get to do straws. So we just taped. I just taped it, and so this is what they're supposed to be like. Your life, some Lifesavers. And make sure it fit right on that straw. Right on that straw. I don't know why it's doing that, but okay. So, we finished the wheels. And they're super spinny.
All right, so what we did was we put on the Lifesavers and then we put some tape to hold them in place, see, so they won't fall off.
And then we can't roll around, but you can secure the top with like a piece of paper or something. So, yeah. Make sure you subscribe. You subscribe. You didn't care. You subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. You subscribe and turn on the notification. Notification bell so you don't miss. Yeah, bye. Peace out.